Hey guys, this video is on this NARWHAL electronic dartboard I picked up from Walmart. $29.99. Picked up some extra darts and some tips. You know, a lot of times in the pubs and stuff, those tips bust off. And I picked up an extra set of darts. Let's see how this thing works and use it and check it all out. Do a little review here and set up. Real quick here too, this takes 3 AA batteries that aren't included. And it looks like it comes with some darts too, so let's check it out. Got some instructions in there. Screws to put it up. Oh no, there's part of the darts. All right, there's what you get in the box. Flipping it over here. Here's the, I'm a little skeptical. It says this thing was made in China. Batteries go. Okay, let's grab some AA's.
Select game 301.
All right, it's working. Tighten that baby down too tight.
Select options.
All right, as far as mounting goes, there's the bottom recessed area for mounting. So I'll use a couple screws, take a measurement, mount it using those. All right, this is kind of cool. It says, tells you the regulation or whatever on the bullseye. So it's supposed to be 68 inches from the ground. Go ahead and do that. All right, so I grabbed my tape measure. I measured 68 inches off the ground, put a dot on where I want the bullseye to go. Hey, so I plan on using a couple drywall screws. I just want to test them out and make sure they're going to work. Oh yeah, it'll work good. I'm actually going to use these ones. They're a little bit longer. Hey, this is real nice. So there's the bullseye. They give you a template with this thing, so I'm actually going to screw this in right where the bullseye goes. And then it talks about hole B and hole A, so I'm just going to, that's how that's going to work. I'm going to drill it in just like that. So I'm just going to actually poke this screw right through there and stick it on my dot I got on the wall. Drill the other ones in and then pull this one out, and then I'll rip the paper off. This is sweet. There we go. Now I'll just drill. I'll make sure this thing is actually level. And then I'll drill, pop that screw in there, and pop one in down there. Lift a little bit out there. A little bit there. Let's see how that works. I'll put it up there and try it. All right, let's get this thing a little fit, test fit here. It should hang on there, and then once it's on there, it'll snap in. All right. So yeah, so that way when you pull your darts off, see, but it's still a little bit rickety. So I'm gonna go in a little bit more with those screws. I'm just gonna take them down just a little bit more. I don't want any slop there. I can unscrew this one. Yeah, as you can see, I'm out a little bit far with my screws. That one's probably good. I'm gonna leave that one there. I'm gonna bring this one in a little bit more, another turn or two. All right, got it mounted. Let's get these darts put together. All right, that goes in there pretty nice. And this, looks like these can go either way.
Now screw the tip on.
All right, got those assembled. Got some extra tips here too. All right, now that this thing's mounted, so just to turn it on, I'll just show you how to play a simple 2-player game of 301. Comes on. Now,
Select game
Okay, so,
301.
yep, that's the one we want. So we go ahead and do select. Yep.
Select options.
Okay, so now for options, go ahead and hit select.
Select options.
Okay, we don't want to do D1 because that's double to start. You have to get like a bullseye or a double to even start the score. So we're gonna go down, we're gonna do this one. Whatever this, I think it's standard is what that is. And so we'll select that.
Select players. 1.
Okay, we want to do 2 player and then select. Okay,
Player.
now we
1.
got 2 players and you're ready to start. So, you know, throw your dart. Boom.
Double bullseye.
Okay, so you can see it just subtracts your score. And then another one. Okay, and
Next
another
player.
one. Now it's next player. So now you pull your darts and you have to make sure you hit next player right there.
Player 2.
Now player 2 can go. So it's the same thing. Now when player 2's done, you hit next player. So far, overall, as far as the review goes, this thing's pretty good. You can play a whole bunch of different games on here and they provide instructions on how to do it. And I'm not gonna go over each game in this video. But you know, as far as a review, pretty good. I don't like how this stuff wiggles around. You know, it kind of makes me think it's kind of cheap. It is a Walmart special, made in China, so we'll see how long this thing lasts. Gut feeling is it's not gonna last a heck of a long time, but we'll see. All right, thanks for watching, guys.